We love the Shark Vertex Pro cordless vacuum. We think it's the best vacuum there is. Unfortunately, it comes with 3 tool brush head, but there's no way to either mount it on board onto the vacuum. And in fact, there doesn't even come with any those tool brush organizers. So we made the organizer for the tool. We call it the tool rack that organizes all the 3 tool brush it comes with. See our store for that. But in this installation video, we'll show you the onboarding tool bracket that we made. You can see here, this is 1, but it comes with 3. So we made, if you have your 2 favorite tools, you can choose the 2 tool brush holder version. And if you wanted to mount all 3, we have the 3. So we find best for our personal use, I like to use the single tool holder because it's light, and then we also mostly use the crevice tool. But that's up to you. In this video, I'll show you how to install this. It's very simple. It clips in with this here onto the stick here. You can put it vertically anywhere you prefer. It just snaps in, it clicks in place, and there you go. And it is pretty tight, it won't go up and down. And now you can just push this into the clip and let it fall down. And there it is, you're done. It's pretty easy. It does not interfere with the operation of pulling out the handle. And as well, you can use, and it won't fall out if you do this kind of gently. But if you do it upside down, of course, it's gonna fall out. So it's not made for upside down. But most of the time, you wouldn't need to do that because you will probably be sticking in your crevice tool at the end, and then you wouldn't have anything here unless you get the 3 model version. But here we only have the single tool version, so nothing will fall out. But if you do have more than 2 or more than 1, it's not made for being upside down. But it can handle the floor just fine. So there we go. And putting it back is not a problem either. Just slip it in, and there you have it. Now some tips. If you find that some of the tool, maybe the top piece here, top is kind of heavy, it may have a tendency to fall out if you're maybe moving it too hard. If it falls out, not a problem. You can make it tight by putting a rubber or some sort of grip at the tip here. And what we could do is just kind of improvise, and we wrap a few layers of tape like this. Wrap it at each end like that. And I'm using white or red on white as contrast, but they do have other colored tapes that matches, either black or white. They have all various colors of electrical tape. And if you even want to be more professional, they have something called dip, some sort of plastic dip. You dip these little wands into a canister, and that coats it in plastic. They sell that at like Harbor Freight or other tool store. Now that's really professional, but this is quick and dirty. We didn't make it neat on purpose, well, not on purpose, but we didn't make it neat because we're just demonstrating, but you want to wrap it nice and neat. And you put this in, it gives it a little bit more grip. So now the tool will not really be going anywhere. In addition, if you find issues, because if you use a 3 version or the 3 tool version, it may be heavy. It may, see, I'm pushing it down, it's not going down, but if maybe more weight you put on this bracket, it goes down. The same thing, just wrap a piece of tape around the bottom of the base, right underneath this adapter, and it will not make it go down. It'll prevent it from going or sliding down. And those are the tips that we have. All right, thank you.